Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know, now you do. And today I have another haul for you. This one is a thrift haul. It is almost no clothing. I went to Talize, which is happening. It's becoming one of my favorite thrift stores. It definitely earned some brownie points this time when I went. I was just wandering around. It was sort of like, okay, this is what happened. I was driving down the street, about to go to Denny's with my sister for dinner. It was like 8 o'clock at night, and I was like, you know what? Talize is right there, let's go in. I literally didn't tell her where we were going. I just turned the corner, pulled in the parking lot, and I was like, we're going to Talize. I just felt like I needed to be there. It turns out there was a good reason for that, because someone had donated a shit ton of crafting supplies to Talize, and I benefited immensely from that. Just wait and see, and don't be jealous of my new craft supplies, because seriously, they're awesome. Okay, I'm very excited. I basically wouldn't leave the crafting section until my sister got a cart because there was so much stuff that I wanted and I couldn't carry it all. That's how excited I was. Alright, I'm just gonna get into it and show you what I got because I need to leave in about 15 minutes to go to Aquafit. So this is bag number 1 of ribbon. Do you see how big these spools of ribbon are? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rolls of ribbon in here. And almost all of them are full or like almost full. This bag weighs at least 5 pounds full of ribbon. I don't know where this came from, except maybe to thank the crafting gods, because seriously, this whole bag of ribbon was $5. I basically went like, mine, to the whole crafting section at Talize yesterday, and I cried with joy at finding this. I use ribbon a lot in my products, so I use them for chokers, I use them for earrings and all kinds of things, to be honest. And so finding vintage ribbon, because that's exclusively what I use, is vintage ribbon, finding this much of it in this great of volume and this great of quality just makes my heart sing, because I will be set for years for ribbon now. I'm gonna give it a little hug. I love it so much. Okay, babies, you gotta go sit on the bed while Mama tells them about the other ribbon. That wasn't the only ribbon I got. I also got another bag of little rolls of ribbon. So this one has a bunch of narrow ribbons all in the same color. It also has, let's see, rainbow ribbon. It has a bunch of pink and purple, and there's some black over here. Oh, just like all the good colors that people actually buy are these. And I'm going to be making a bunch of chokers to be donated to gift bags for something. And so this makes my life so much easier than having to find. So this bag of ribbon here, $4 for all of this. This is so awesome. Unbelievably. Now, I'm going to say the Talize craft section is minuscule. It's not the same as at Value Village. It's not like a whole wall of stuff. But when you score big. I did find one clothing item, which is this skirt. It's reading much more red on camera, but it's more of like a burgundy wine color. I would say burgundy more than wine. And this will make at least 2 hats for me, or 2 beanies. So I'm just going to save it till the fall when I start making beanies again. And yeah, it's super soft and it's perfect. It really is perfect. Now on to my mega find. Just, who could believe that there would be so much good stuff at the Talize craft section yesterday? This is an entire spool of black elastic. It is like 1/2 inch, I think. 3/8 of an inch. So it's 3/8 of an inch. And it is something that I use all the time for things. There's so much on here that I will never run out. I'm just flabbergasted. There is so much of it. The spool is almost brand new. Like, there's no wrapping on it, but it has been opened, but there's almost none missing from it. This is amazing. Let's see. There is, oh, it doesn't tell me how many yards are on here, but like, come on. And it was $6 for all of this. Like, I can't even get my hand around, both hands. I can't even get both hands around how big this is. But that's not even the best part, okay? Wait for it. There was one in white too. Like, how exciting is that? This one has the wrapping on it still. Like, it still has the cellophane packaging. More 3/8 inch white elastic, which is probably used even more than black elastic, just like for $6 again. Yeah, there's 300 meters on here. 300 meters. I'm never going to go through this. But like, when I saw it, I was like, my precious, come to me. You're going home with me. And of course, like, these are really heavy and I was holding on to them and I was like, Paige, go get a cart, please. Because there's so much more stuff that I need to get. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking about my awesome thrift store craft finds and I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Leave your comments in the comments below and I will reply back to them within the first 24 hours of the video being up. We are so close to hitting 10,000 subscribers. Like, we're 2,000 subscribers away. We can do this. Please subscribe. I appreciate it. I love you all when you subscribe, or when you don't, you just watch. That's totally cool too. But I was actually looking at my analytics the other day and it says about 80% of you who are watching are not subscribed. So if you want to be notified when I put up a new video, you should subscribe. And if you want to get even more insurance that you know when I put up a video, you should ring the notification bell. But that's really up to you. You know, it's your life. All of my links are in the description box below and I will see you guys next time. Bye!